Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Mohammed Sanaul and today I'm gonna teach you how can you get domain for 1 year. And it's not a fake video, it's 100% full video and you can easily get the domain. It's a Yahoo services and it's not a GoDaddy or something else. So first of all, you can use it for the AdSense approval and you can easily make your website on blogspot.com. So what you have to do, just simply go to the URL and you will get this URL from the video description. So it's a small business from Yahoo and they are providing their services for the 1 year and you can easily get it from your checkout from your credit card or PayPal account. Just click on this link. So here you will see the interface. You just have to click on the, let it reload. Just click on the start for free and they will ask you some questions and some details, so you just have to fill out. So they are asking what type of business are you starting, so simply you just have to choose from their list. So I am writing web services. Okay, web services, and what the name of your business. So I'm writing my channel name and just click on the continue button. So it's going to the add to the cart page and you just have to enter your all the details on the checkout page. So here you have to enter your name. I am entering my name here. Just click, enter your email, like here is our email, and just enter your password. So in case I am using the suggested password, just check on this and click on the continue. So just parking meters, click and just verify and it will redirect to the another page. As you can see here, they are providing for free. After a year you will pay $113, but I will suggest after purchasing domain from Yahoo Business, you should transfer your domain from other website like GoDaddy or somewhere else. So here you have to enter the details. So we are not going for the credit card, we will do for the PayPal at checkout. Just simply click on the PayPal at checkout and click on the continue button. So scroll down, again check on this and just submit for the payment. It will redirect to the PayPal website for the checkout. So let's see. I have already confirmed my email, I have already added the phone number, and I have already linked my card on PayPal. So as we have made the PayPal account in the previous video, so you have to enter the same credit card and the same billing address will be here. Just click on the add button and it will be done in couple of seconds. So your card has been added again. So just click on agree and continue button and here we go. It's loading for the next page. Let's see. So you are awesome, your order is complete. Now take the next step. So our order has been completed. The order number, the PayPal account has been charged $0.00. Just go to the dashboard. Before going to the dashboard, just go to your email and simply activate your Yahoo business account. just simply go to the email and it will redirect to the login, and just click on the login, enter the credentials and just click on the login for the confirmation. So it's showing some errors, so let's try again. Just click again and just enter this, verify, and then click on the login button again. So it's saying please check your email to link to activate your account. So let's go to your email again and just click to activate my account. Let's see again. It's loading. It's taking too much time. So after the whole process you will be able to get the domain. So what we'll have to do, I will show you, so don't be worried about, just watch the full video for the free domain. You can add it with the WordPress, you can add it with the Blogspot, you can add it with anywhere else you want. So they want the security email and the phone number. So let's enter the phone number, enter the email, then your phone number again, I am using USA phone number for this purpose. You can use any phone number you want. So just enter the second number, six 3140782. So here you just have to answer the necessary questions. So I am entering here. So just click on the continue button. Your dashboard is ready, so just click next. Here we are. So what you have to do after the process, you just have to click on this claim and verify your domain name. Just click on this. Again you will redirect to the next page for the domain searching. So here you can see all the domains are available, but you don't need this. We need the click on the search more and search your desired domain name. So here we will search any domain related to the blogging or somewhere else. So I found a good domain, so I will search from the search bar. Just paste your domain name and just click on the search icon. So if it's available, so you will easily get it now. So just click on get it now. I just search for this domain for the high DAPA sites and to link with the 90+ DA sites. So I just thought I should get it with a good domain name. So just click on the button get it now. Now here you just have to click the give details from where you are from and your organization and name, etc. So just here I have an address, just copy the address, enter your name first and organization, what organization you are. So I am linking any name, address, city, and then state, California. Enter the zip code Now you just have to again enter your phone number. Now click on the submit button. So here we are, the domain has been registered on your name, so you can easily use it for the 1 year. It's not any like the video you are watching on the YouTube. It's 100% real and working video. You can get the trial, and work on the website. Let me show you from the dashboard the domain record or not. After getting the domain, the domain will show on the dashboard screen. Let's see. It will showing the claim and verify your domain. So let's again refresh the window. Don't worry about this when you click on this. So let's see our domain is available or not. So here we are. Here is our domain name, and you can make the website on the Yahoo or WordPress or Blogspot as you want. So this is the video, and 100% video you can easily make, and how you can make PayPal account and check out with the Yahoo business. You can watch my video. Video link will be available in the video description. So make sure to thumbs up, like, subscribe and comment below if you are facing any problem. Thank you.